Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the multi-purpose base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Toyota Corolla 5-door hatchback with the bare roof. So here we're featuring the Thule WingBar Evo clamp base roof rack system. This comprises three components: the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4, and the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, available in both silver and black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets that grip securely to the door frames of the vehicle. So let's go into that in a little more detail here. So included with the fitting kit are 4 of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, as you see here, as well as 4 rubber base pads that are contoured specifically to match the roof line where the rack rests on the roof. So these are part of a numbered system where each door frame bracket has a number stamped into it, as well as each rubber base has a number molded into it, and these numbers correspond to the instructions that are included with the fitting kit. And so it'll tell you exactly what those numbers are, as well as the position of those on the vehicle. In some cases, each bracket and foot pad may be different, which speaks to the quality of the fit and the accuracy of the fit. So the way these work in conjunction with the foot pack is that you have a foot pack with a panel across the front. You can remove that panel and simply insert the door frame bracket into the assembly, and you can feel and hear a click when you do that correctly. You can flip it upside down, and you'll notice you just match up the shape of this plastic base to the rubber, and then press down around the perimeter, and that engages that rubber to the underside of the foot. And there you have the assembled foot pack to the fitting kit. Now here, let me show you the load bars. So again, we mentioned we have silver or black. These are small segments to show you. At the end of the load bar, you have the end cap, which has a flip end cap that allows access into the end of the bar. This is a T-track, and that T-track allows for connection of a wide range of T-track accessible accessories. And just to show the actual construction of the bar, you can see this has a unique construction, which is extruded box beam construction to give it very good rigidity, stiffness, but also the shape provides excellent aerodynamic performance. So let's demonstrate how the foot pack engages into the bar. So what I'll do is just press on the silver button that's underneath the panel, and then line up the bar and slide it into place. So there's definitive positioning for the foot on the bar as designated by a slide scale that's provided with the bar. And so you would line up the foot with the slide scale to get the perfect position. Now, once you have it in perfect position, you would tighten the fastener with the included turn knob. And this turn knob is unique in that it has a built-in torque indicator. So when it's fully tightened, it will click, thereby indicating it's not over or under tightened. It'll be perfect every time. And lastly, you would take the cap and snap that cap over. You just turn this plastic knob to keep that cap in place. However, you do have the option to remove that plastic knob and in its place, put a Thule lock cylinder, and the lock cylinder would provide a much higher level of theft deterrent. So these Thule lock cylinders are sold in set of 4 to lock all 4 of your towers. However, you can purchase additional sets in order to match up with other accessories, or buy a set of 8, a set of 6, and build on your system so that all your keys will match all your carriers on your base roof rack system. Now, for further instruction on the full assembly of this, please see a link in the video description, which we go over this type of installation from start to finish. So you have a much more in-depth installation video to reference. Also, if you're interested in this complete roof rack system, there's another link that'll direct you straight to rackattack.com, where you can purchase this as a pre-configured rack system. So it's essentially a one-click. It takes you right to the perfect fit for the 2019 and beyond Toyota Corolla 5-door hatchback. So I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Please see those links in our video description, and thanks for watching.